Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy pure silk collections only for you. So let me display beautiful bright looks, pure tussar silk with beautiful printed one, very smart and elegant looks. This one is full base part, fully beautiful shadow printed one. This one is full base part. Let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful shadow effect printed, very nice combinations, pure tussar silk, handloom tussar silk with beautiful shadow effect printed one, full base part. And this one pallu portions, beautiful hand printed pallu, fully hand printed one, very elegant, bright, elegant looks. This one is fully printed one, very nice one. And this one running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is fully printed, hand printed pallu. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and elegant looks. And this one very beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, very elegant one. Let me open. This one full base part, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, very nice one. This one is full base part, shadow effect printed, and very nice looks, comfortable, lightweight. This one is full base part, same shadow effect. And this one pallu portions, contrast, fully hand printed, highlighted pallu. This one is beautiful hand printed one, very nice looks, artistic looks, very trendy one. This one is full base, shadow effect base, and this one is pallu. And this one running blouse piece, bright red shade, and this one is pallu, very nice elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very smart and elegant looks. Let me open. Contrast color border and middle portions beautiful smart printed one. This one is full base part, contrast color printed border, and this one is middle portions, beautiful highlighted printed one, and pure Vishnupuri silk. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes with beautiful design printed pallu. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, lightweight, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very exclusive one, elegant also. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive lightweight looks. And this one also very nice one, fully printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print and stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern, printed border, and full base part is beautiful, nice printed one. This one full base part, beautiful printed one. This portion is base portions, fully texture pattern printed, and this one is border portions, contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful butta pattern printed one, and full base part is texture pattern printed, very smart and elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful printed pallu. And this one full base part, very smart looks. This one is full base, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, and very lightweight, comfortable. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, trendy and smart looks. Very beautiful bright looks, pure Vishnupuri silk, bright color combinations, green and blue contrast, royal blue contrast looks, very nice one. This one full base part. Let me open. This one is full base part, bright green shade, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. And this one full base part, and this one is split section. This one is half portion, split sections, bright royal blue shade with beautiful printed one, fully hand printed. This one is full base split section, royal blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pleats. This one is upper base part, and this one pallu portions, fully patli pallu, same contrast blue shade with beautiful hand printed pallu, patli pallu pattern, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. This one is pleat section, and this one is pallu. Nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece. With this for stitching your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also in a very beautiful, elegant looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with hand printed one, very nice and elegant looks. Let me open this one. Full base part of white cream shade with beautiful hand printed one, and this one is contrast color, highlighted printed 1-inch border, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color, shadow effect print with beautiful hand printed one. Very nice and elegant looks, artistic looks, shadow effect printed, contrast color with beautiful hand draw print. Very nice one. And this one full base part, very elegant looks. This one is full base part with beautiful printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive and elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful, elegant one, pure Tasar silk zari border with beautiful hand printed one, very elegant looks. And let me open this one. Full base part, beautiful hand printed one, and pure Tasar silk golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very trendy and elegant looks, demanding also. And this one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, golden zari stripes with beautiful hand printed pallu. And this one is full base part, and this one is a golden zari border, pure Tasar silk. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. A very beautiful one, batik printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with batik print, very elegant looks, And this one is full base part, beautiful printed one. Let me open. This one is full base. This one is full base part, beautiful, smart, fully hand batik printed one, very elegant looks. This one is pallu end, contrast color stripes with beautiful batik painted one, and this one full base part. This portion is upper base part, beautiful painted one, and this one sleeve section half portion. This one is darkish coffee brown shade, blackish coffee brown shade, and this one is upper base part, beautiful hand batik painted one, and this one is border portions batik painted, and this one is running blouse piece and very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, hand batik printed one, and I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and elegant looks. And this one also beautiful one, fully hand batik print, pure Vishnupuri silk with batik printed one, very nice looks. This one is beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portion. This one is base part, beautiful hand batik printed one, and this one is pallu portions, contrast color, blackish coffee brown shade with beautiful hand printed design pallu, and this one full base part is same printed one, fully hand batik printed design, very smart and elegant look. This one is border portions, and full base part is beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also pure Tasar silk, golden zari border, and beautiful printed one, very elegant looks, pure Tasar silk with contrast color, printed border, golden zari with contrast color printed border. This one full base part, pure tasar silk base. This one golden zari with contrast color border and full border portions, beautiful printed one. And this one is base part, butta pattern printed. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes pattern, nice printed pallu and very lightweight, also elegant looks. This one full base part, beautiful smart and elegant printed, contrast color border. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this brocade work silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful and smart and elegant looks, pure Vishnupuri silk, contrast color border and beautiful hand batik printed one, very nice looks. This one is full base part. Let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one. This portion is blackish coffee brown shade. This one is border portions, contrast green shade with batik printed one. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with batik printed pallu, and pallu end is beautiful printed one. And this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, fully hand batik printed one, fully printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with batik print. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. And this one also beautiful one, very nice looks, trendy looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with print. Let me open, batik printed stripes pattern design. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful nice batik printed stripes pattern design. This one is full base. Pallu portion, this portion is pallu, coffee brown shade. And this one full base part, very nice looks. This portion is coffee brown with white contrast batik printed stripes. And this one full base part, same stripes pattern, smart printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful smart looks. And this portion is upper base part to pallu head, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, pure tasar silk with beautiful hand printed one, contrast color border, very demanding and trendy looks. This one let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful hand printed one, and full base part is shadow effect printed with beautiful hand printed one, and contrast color golden zari with contrast color highlighted border. And full base part is beautiful hand printed one with shadow effect, very nice trendy looks. This one is full base part. This one running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern with beautiful printed hand printed pallu. And this one is full base part, fully shadow effect, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and elegant looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree, pure Vishnupuri silk with print and full base part, structure pattern printed one, very smart looks. And this one is border portions, contrast color multicolor stripes pattern, temple pattern stripes pattern printed. And this one pallu portions, contrast color printed pallu, very nice one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry and blouse. If you want same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy, take care. Thank you so much.